Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel. It seems like as we're getting near Christmas, the weeks are absolutely flying by. This week we have in a T4 for a little bit of welding, a few small jobs, and the biggest job is a Waxall. I've washed this about a couple of hours ago, so as you can see it's still very wet underneath. There's a lot of masking to do. Obviously I've got to mask the bodywork, the exhaust, there's a diesel heater, anything that basically you don't want any wax on. As you can see on the underside, most of the original wax protection that VW put on has come off. You see some there, like that yellow sort of finish. But what I found, this is a bit of useless information, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Every T4 I've ever done, no matter if the outside's black, blue, red, white, they're all blue in the middle. Don't know why, but they all seem to be. So there you go, a bit of useless information. I will show you some pictures later in the week when it's all done so you can see the finished result. Obviously I've still got some stuff to clean off and mask, but I shall show you end of the week. The transport guy has just delivered this van back from Leon at Concept Pop Tops, who's just done a headliner. It's a 1973 late bay window. I shall show you the headliner. Look at that, looks spot on. It's done a really nice job. I like it with the original style fabric. It just looks so much more original. He's got a Rusty Lee rock and roll bed in there. Now it's down to us to, obviously as you can see, put the dash, the wiring, steering column, pedals, brakes, got to lower it, alloy wheels, engine, fuel tank. Loads to do. We should be cracking on with it in the new year. The paint and body was done by Gavin at Strength Through Joy over in Ringwood. I think it's been done about 3 years now, so it's been hanging around waiting for us. Nice job though, isn't it? Come up really good. Here we go, all finished. I've just unmasked it and unmasked the exhaust. I did it about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. So as you can see, it's still a little bit shiny and wet. Once it dries, it'll dry like a matte sort of satin finish. But it's come out really nice. It's definitely worth doing. It's worth doing, obviously, when these cars were not so old. If someone had done this every 5 years when it was new, it'd be like mint. It's pretty good. There's a few patches, as you can see on the seal there, look. Little patch there. It's had a bit of welding, but not too bad for its miles and its age. But I'm very happy how it's come out. I think the customer's going to be happy. Give it half a chance to survive a few more 1,000 miles. I've even done the front engine cover, as you can see. There we go. If you need your Beetle, car, whatever it is, Waxalling, leave a comment or give us a ring. Thanks for watching the video.